Right, fantastic morning. I'm asking you, good evening, some net 12 so Badwam so. Yes, wala natural mineral water can honey in some no but wala natural mineral water. And weekend activities a whole course so you know wala na ya no mo ya di activities a whole you know fie ni baby a open so no ma wala natural mineral water and we sponsor sabi bi o can home ya de ba. Say Jomano cho Bernard Padibutwe. Producers, yes, of course, Compu Ghana promo no ababetum. Say scanning hot, ya no strategic or to the anwa. We say among who's almost money mazui. No why wide the one gym. What a computer pet, TV, laptop, no gas cooker, air conditioner. What did they make TV show fee beer washing machine bibian Compu Ghana say what it is so sebra baby. Now when I pass what is no okwa beta wonu me be hweko pa Compu Ghana for and so tell me na no pay na some no back you wan kasane Eric Asiedu Bwari. If a weekend of action and qua in France, Le Classique, in Spain, El Clasico, in England, face with him, Arsenal, Liverpool, so that they acquire no, but Manchester United, maybe on done but on top of the table, Manchester City, or moving on game 1-0 over Southampton, and yes, just here 5th minute now, part at home, Haaland and bottom. If you homo prayer go na Southampton area but Man City prayer pa on top na fi Liverpool ni Arsenal mo di so table no so sa ne ade ahye no so afa me Aston Villa onye opportunity so be frako te ho sa ma na buka mu na yenko La Liga Atletico de Madrid still ani man koye Betis born ka ba ko antumi ante then the Clasico Real Madrid eje ho nan wo no ankasa fie
neither at Lamine
until the course so Spain, you know, now 6 points. Now that Barca Real Madrid and the Barca just throw about so actually Madrid more 6 points. And in Italy, Inter Milan and the Juve game on the 4-4 was the biggest game. And now Horror minus they won some abroad. Then the Classique in France, Paris Saint-Germain, Marseille, Hunya. Jene Hunya poto. What you say? Yes, I have something which is there. Horror. Now make Italy assignment on top of the table. And Napoli with 22 points. Inter Milan at Tosumi 18. Juventus Tosumi 17. The Ecoso Italy no Shannon son F straight to Togo. The Ghana the 20 team, the Black Starlight of Ghana. I can say you qualify for the final of the Wafu Zombie. Cote d'Ivoire, Ebo Mokami, you know, Motimo Bakonra. And to see, you know, final napi. Yanko Togo.
That's by Kamara. And Kwa wrapped in ample of space. That could be dangerous for Hasselhoff. Here they come. Atakumi! And that is it! The beauty God stars break the down block. Oh my goodness! Atakumi giving a glorious opportunity and he just taps home. And the miners are now mining in the capital. What a dance!
That's a great goal. He took the ball. That was a mistake by Amofa, but then they capitalized on the mistake.
c'est terminé. Le Ghana qui décroche alors son ticket pour la finale. Le Ghana qui aurait d'ailleurs tout prévu. En tout cas.
Right. And only the course of Togo, yes. Satellite of Ghana qualified for the final. And then Nigeria and Nigeria Niger and the Huajuma Panti, you call final. I say, bet me there. Final, I do the say qualified for the AFCON. Yes, and a 20 AFCON in Tishan. So, my coach Desmond Affair, head coach Desmond Affair. Me pacho Wednesday and Airbus to the Indian Yasam Keto Accra. Wednesday and Airbus Ghana versus Nigeria. And one summer now. And on China, you for the Ghanaian Premier League this weekend, match day 8. Hearts of Oak, Ejan and I saw her send Kebefa Ewo, the Legon Stadium. Yes, University of Ghana Stadium. Bibiani Gold Stars, a ball has by a goal to nil. League leader still. I'm so common in Nabasaki, and so Nekoroko, a ball a year 1-1. Yenchester the matches this sequoia.
It's brought to the left hand side. Amankwa giving it a heel chase by Kamara. And Kwa left in ample of space. That could be dangerous for Hasselhoff. Here they come. Atakumi! And that is it! The beauty God stars break the deadlock. Oh my goodness! Atakumi giving a glorious opportunity, and he just taps home. And the miners are now mining in the capital. What a dance!
That's a great goal. He took the ball. That was a mistake by Amofa, but then they capitalized on the mistake, took the ball to the wing, made sure that.
And a beautiful play. Kotoko Obetuma Kwana Albert Adoma ni Krabono. Oh, Koto to kind. Albert. Oh, there you go. Kumasi asante kwa watu tunedikain. Kodokoto tunedikain. Albert Adoma Odibonam and Tantanwa, Odenam and Tantanwa sa. Ano Piabono, goalkeeper in his
Right, Sana, Kodokogo, no, see about every table after match day 8. Maybe it is also original Monai Sopa and not to say yes, a results about summer text. Even 1-0 over Bricum Chelsea at Vienna Stars, enemy DM and Soto to Anyasam Ketua, Umbatuaso, Heart of Lions, and in Swatterman, Heart of Lions winning 1-0, Young Apostles winning 1-0 over Dreams, Baseke, and the Korokodiani 1-1, Bichim, and the Kerala 0-0, and of course, Nations above Vision by 3-0. On top of the table, Bibiani Gold Stars. Being her table, Bibiani Gold Stars. The LED table, no Anyasam Ketua, Matema, Kumasa, Sanekoroko, Omojomudin, Wumuni, and the idea. And you remember, now the actually some idea, bro. Then, we are, as so shame, remember, referee crap, to can see by Compu Ghana, Omoche, some other Chomoniamas who would defy Hunjim, Monsoquajo, the Nipansari. Yes, I know a strategic Atobia, no Danchaya, a Walla Natural Mineral Water, your sponsors. Kejuanagasani, Erica Sidubody.